Hi guys, got a minute? I'm Maria. Welcome to my channel. Today we're making a hearty sausage and root vegetable bake packed with parsnips, potatoes, and sweet potatoes. It's rustic, nourishing, and perfect for any night of the week. So let's get started. First, peel all the vegetables, potatoes, sweet potatoes, Caribbean sweet potatoes, parsnips, and carrots if you're using them. Then chop them. Make the sweet potato pieces a little larger so they don't get too soft before the other roots are done. Add all the chopped root veggies to a large bowl. Drizzle with olive oil. Sprinkle 1 or 2 teaspoons of garlic powder over the vegetables. Give everything a quick mix. Next, add 1 or 2 teaspoons of paprika. Mix again so it's evenly coated. Add more if needed. Now take your rosemary and rub it in your hands to release the flavor. Add 1 or 2 teaspoons. After adding the rosemary, you can drizzle a little extra olive oil if it looks a bit dry. Finally, sprinkle on salt and pepper. Give everything a good final mix so it's evenly coated. Mixing in between each spice helps you see if you want a little more. You can adjust the amounts to your preference. Next, cut your sausages into bite-sized pieces. For this recipe, I like to use mild Italian sausages, but sometimes I use 1 package of Italian and 1 package of turkey sausages. If you prefer a healthier version, you can also use all turkey sausages. Season them the same way, just a little oil and the same spices. Lightly oil your baking dish. I'm using a large glass baking dish here, but you can also use any size that fits the amount you're making. Add all the seasoned root vegetables into the dish and spread them out evenly. Place the seasoned sausage pieces on top of the vegetables in a single layer. Then bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 60 to 90 minutes. stir everything halfway through and give it another stir or two if needed as it finishes cooking. Continue cooking until the sausages are browned and all the vegetables are tender. And that's it. If you love simple, wholesome dishes, you're going to enjoy this warm, hearty sausage and root vegetable bake. It's easy to prep, full of flavor, and makes the whole house smell amazing. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.